to Ouya's Tech Show. I'm Ouya. I'm 6. Today I will show you how to use induction to melt the metal. Now I will show you what parts we need. A power supply, aluminium block, 2 tubes, a buck converter, a pump, and the pump need to be strong, a induction driver, a powerful 24-volt fan, many screws and nuts, a coil, 2 wires, and this is a pot for melted metal. Inside have a ferrite pot. And this is the cover. And also a polycarbonate plate. Now I'll CNC the polycarbonate plate for below. Now I'll melt it out. This is the base plate for below my induction heater. Now I go to get the sharp parts off. Now I finished to get the sharp parts off. Now I'll show you how I assemble it.
已经录进来了，看得到吗？已经看得到你了，你们2个人都在里边了。
Now I finish building it. Now I go to solder it. We turn it on, and then we need to cut some wires. We can use these wires here. Now I finished soldering. Now I will connect it to the power supply and make sure that you use the silicone tube because for the cooling for the coil gets super hot by the induction, so you need some water cooling, and the water coming out is hot and silicone can bear high temperature, so use silicone. And now I start connecting it. Now I finished connecting. Now I need to solder the connector for connect the pump onto the buck converter. Now I finished soldering the connector. Now I will connect the pump to the buck converter and the tube. And make sure that you put the input on the long one, not on the short one. If some water dropped, then it only drop on the small PCB, not on the big one. So we put a longer one on the input. Now I will connect the 220 volt wire onto the power supply. And the 220 volt AC doesn't matter the plus and minus. The 220 volt AC just matter for safety. So I also put hot glue on later. There's the hot glue for safety. Now I go to connect the thick wires onto the induction PCB, and you need quite thick wire because the PCB use big current. And now I start connecting it. Now we need to fix the aluminum plate on the induction heater. Now we need to fix the legs onto the induction heater. Now we go to melt the metal, and you need a suction and also need to wear a mask because it will have bad air coming off if you melt the metal. really funny. Mom, what did you do just now? What did you do?
You can test it. Don't test that one. You can test it now.
This is what we pour on the aluminium just now. This metal is called brass, and the melting point of it is 1000 degrees. If you have any question, please send me email. Thank you for watching.